In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive an old widget in Elfsight. Let's get started. Currently, Elfsight does not have a separate archive feature for widgets, but you can still achieve a similar result by hiding the widget from your website. This is the recommended method if you want to keep the widget saved in your account without displaying it publicly. To do this, go to your Elfsight dashboard and locate the widget you want to archive. Once you find it, click the three dots icon next to the widget to open the Options menu. From the list of actions, choose Hide from Website. After you select this option, the widget will no longer appear on your website, but it will remain safely stored in your dashboard. This means you can still access the widget later, edit its settings, or make it visible again whenever needed. It is a good option for older widgets that you're not currently using, but do not want to permanently delete. This method works like an archive because it keeps your widget available for future use while removing it from your live website. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.